Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me MrGim here and welcome back to my channel. Today is not any unboxing video but it's a tips and trick on how to clean your iWatch. And not only that, because I have my Whitestone screen protector on and it's already cracking. So to usher the year of the ox, how about just changing everything and make a nice clean over for my little watch. So in this video I'm going to share with you guys how to clean and also how to replace using the Whitestone screen protector, which I failed that replacement before. So without further ado, let's check it out. It's been a year since all the dirt and dust is hiding behind the watch itself. So what you can do is get a cotton bud and some clean water and start wiping the back of the watch. So from here I'm just going to fast forward the process as I don't want to waste all of your time watching me cleaning the back of the watch. So next up, just remove away your stripe by pressing the button. I guess you guys should know it, right? Alright, next up, get yourself a micro cleaning cloth to start wiping off the oil or grease around the watch. So just keep wiping until it's clean. And you can see there is this ejection button on the side. Just get your cotton bud bag and start wiping within this macro hole. Not forget about the gap for holding the stripe of the watch. Inside it's also a very nasty, dirty holding place. So next will be the stripe itself. Well, I have not much solution for this. It's just using the water, clean water, and start wiping off the external dirt using a micro cleaning cloth. So my stripe is the sports band, so it's much more easier to clean. If you guys are using those leather, just make sure you have a correct solution for it. So now here comes the interesting part, because I have installed the Whitestone screen protector for iWatch. This thing has cracked over the time due to me banging around, sometimes hitting on the wall, sometimes hitting on the cage, eventually crack up on the side, which I find it quite annoying. So this time around I'm just going to do a proper replacement and to share with you guys once again without mistake. Before that, I will need to take out the existing screen protector before I can start installing. And taking out the process is kind of hard, but just be careful because most of the part is just keep shattering. So once it's done, start using your macro cleaning cloth and start wiping off the screen. And next, get ready all your accessories from the Whitestone pack and start doing the magic. First, use the alcohol swipe provided and start wiping off the screen. Next, they have included the micro cleaning cloth, which is a finer version, and start using it to wipe out the excess liquid on top of the screen. Next up, get ready your tray and start placing your iWatch after removing the tray cover. Next, get your absorption pad and place it over your iWatch. It should fit nicely inside the tray. Once it's done, use your cover and cover back the tray. Once it's secure, next is to remove all the little particle when you are doing all the steps. So they have provided the dust sticker for you to remove all the little macro dust. Just start dabbing on the screen and make sure there is no dust before you installing the screen. Once the dabbing process is done, next grab your level bar. And this time round I saw this level bar, there is this cutout. This cutout is to slot right away inside the blue tape. So this is where I made the mistake before, and this time round it should be fine. So next up, get your liquid adhesive and start putting the liquid on the screen. And before that, do remember to take out the grey color cap first. While you're doing this, make sure that it is on top of your screen. Don't worry, it won't spill off as it is a vacuum seal. And once it's done, place it over your screen and start turning the knob at the back. The liquid from the bottle will slowly come out after you turn, and gently wait for the liquid to come out completely. Now next step is to take out your screen protector and gently remove the back liner by peeling downwards. Next, starting from the bottom opposite the fixed tape, that's where you slot your tempered glass over the screen. So this next step is quite crucial also. Once you have done placing on the level bar, gently push on the tray and let the liquid flow towards the left or the right depending on how you do it. And let the liquid adhesive touches the screen, gently pull off your level bar. Next, we have to cure the screen, which they have included the UV light inside the box. For the first time, cure it with 10 to 15 seconds. Once it's done, start removing away your cover from the tray and take out your iWatch. Use another alcohol swipe to wipe out the screen and also the edges. Just be careful to not press too hard over the screen. Once the cleaning process is done, just cure it for the last time for a good 45 seconds to 1 minute, and that will finish up the whole entire installing process. And that wraps up for my video on how to clean your iWatch and install the Whitestone tempered glass. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, make sure you slap a like button, subscribe to be my friend, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye!